This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing auto sign-in and changing your EA account and FIFA Mobile. This step-by-step guide is essential for players who wish to switch accounts or manage their game preferences without being automatically signed in. So let's get started. First, open the FC Mobile app. After you open the FC Mobile app, it will automatically log into your account like mine, as you can see in the video. While we are in the FC Mobile app, tap the gear icon, which is located at the top right of the screen, to access the Settings tab. The Settings tab appears. While we are in the Settings tab, tap the arrow in the Manage Account section to manage your account. The message will appear. Just tap the EA Account Settings button to access the EA account website. Now we are in the account website of EA. In the website, just tap the Logout button at the top of the screen beside the EA Help button. You've successfully removed auto sign-in and changed your EA account in FIFA or FC Mobile. This guide provides a clear path to managing your gaming account effectively.